There's something different about the way we are.
Hey guys, it's Patty here again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a happy new year. And on my channel, I bring you guys along with me as I try to create a new garden from scratch. And I shall be making mistakes that I will be showing you so that you guys don't make the same mistake, okay? Now, in today's video, it's just going to be a quick one. In the new year, I'm going to be doing these sort of series where it's going to be titled Gardening Intelligently. And the reason why I am titling that way is because, you know, there's all of these things that we have to do about gardening, and sometimes I don't believe that we always have to abide by the rules, right? So I'm someone that is always like questioning things, not in sort of an aggressive sort of way, but I've been fascinated by the history of education and how things come about, and I've always wondered how these gardening rules came about. And what I'm going to be talking about today is tulips, right? So I am in zone 6B, and I think tulips here are considered annuals, like, so you plant them and then every year you have to get them, right? So the last few years I've done that, and this year, although I've gotten some new tulips, I wanted to try an experiment which I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and this is why it's going to be the beginning of this series, so that you guys can actually see the outcome of what I'm doing. I dug up my tulips after they bloom earlier this year in the spring, and to store them I had done a bit of research, and it said that I needed to throw them in a paper bag or do all sort of things, but I did none of those things. I intentionally did that because I was prepared to buy new tulips. I mean, I was gonna buy new ones, but I wanted to see how these did, so I ignored all of that advice. I just put the tulip in the things that it came in, and then I just threw them in I have a bathroom. I have 1.5 bath that I don't use, so I just threw it in there. I didn't cover it or anything like that, and I'm gonna show you guys what happened, right? All the tulips that I dug up, I did leave some out there for my bad boys to go around and play. I have so many animals, chipmunks, squirrels, deer. I just left some out there for them to be happy, okay? They're crazy out there. But I wanted to show you the results. I'm going to be planting these particular tulips in a specific area as part 2, because they said that when you dig them up and you plant them, they don't actually come back as nice as they did if you were to get them fresh. And it's another theory I wanted to test, but you guys, you won't believe this. Look at this. Let me bring the camera closer, and I'm actually going to show you all the ones that I dug up that I left out in the open. My place, I don't use heat often, although I'm very cold. I try to save on oil, so I don't know if they're just happy in the bathroom there, but let me show you guys what happened, okay? Hey guys, so these are the tulips I dug up earlier this year, and I think the rule of thumb was that if you're going to store them, you need to separate them, clean all the soil from it, but I did none of that. I just threw them up all into this thing and just put them around. But look, I wanted to show you guys, look at this. One tulip actually just came. Now I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is incredible, and I wonder what would have happened if I had dug every single one I planted up. Okay, it's almost like it tripled into what I wanted though. Look at this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's all so healthy. Nothing is rotten. It's very healthy. And look at this one here. Look at these ones here. This I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have, look at this one here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you know, so if you have like not a big lot and you plant tulips every year, I actually think that you should dig them up, because you'd save yourself so much money. And you don't even have to have a huge hustle of storing them, because I don't have a greenhouse. I just do this in the bathroom, okay? I mean, obviously I don't live with anyone. Nobody was complaining, so I just threw them there. But look at this though. So this one, not everything is very healthy. Okay, like right here. Okay, nothing. Okay, look at these here. These are massive ones right here. Oh, I'm so happy because I think I actually have more tulips than I thought I had. Okay, so yeah, and what's going to happen is that I'm actually going to plant these particular tulips for experiment purposes in one particular area, and I can show you how they grow that way. I just want to see if it's going to not grow as good as it did in the first year, because they said that it doesn't you know, when you dig them up, they don't come back as nice as they were the year before. So it's something I really want to test out. Okay, so yeah, so this is it right here. And I'm not going to be showing the tulip planting video because I know there's a lot of that already on YouTube, and I shall not bore you with my tulip planting videos, but I will review the final outcome once all of this is planted. Okay, hey guys, that was quick and easy, and I'm just gonna go back out because I was out planting tulips before I recorded this video. I'm gonna go back out, finish planting some of the tulips I have. I should finish planting them in the next 2 weeks. It's January 2nd today, 2021. So in the next 2 weeks, I hope to get everything in the ground, and then once all of these come up, like I said, I will put them in a particular spot because I sort of want to see how they are going to be doing. So yeah, I thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.